Alright, so today we're going to be working on this here compact computer thingy. It's all like making some weird noises and whatnot, and like making the screen stay all like, let's just say, what is it? Either blue screen or black screen. Well, anyways, as you can tell, it's got a clicking noise. So I got a trusty screwdriver right here. I'm gonna start poking around and shit and start seeing what happens. Alright, so I think I gotta hit it. So I'm gonna get my little baby hammer. Stop clicking! Damn it! Oh, I didn't like that. Uh-oh. What's going on? No! I'm fucking up the hard drive. Making some more clicky noises. It's true, now I'm gonna hit some more shit. Well, I shouldn't be holding a metal hammer and not wrapped by all that shit. I almost stopped clicking for a second. Maybe I'll try putting some wires in the fan, see what happens. No, I didn't really chop them up like I was expecting. I was expecting some crazy shit. Alright, so this is how you diagnose the noise. So you gotta click the noises and shit. You can just poke around until it stops and start yanking on shit. And if your computer's got a black screen already, then it's okay. Don't need it. It's gonna get worse at this point. But this should be how you fix it. You just hit the hell out of random shit. Oh. Oh, fuck it. Oh my god, I got shocked. That'd be funny if I did. I wouldn't care. Where the fuck does that go? Maybe I start just unplugging shit while it's running. Let's see. Try to hold this shit with my legs. Ah, focus, you piece of shit. Fucking iPhone. Oh, it didn't like that. It's making big clunky noises now. Go, 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 go. Plug that back in. Wonder what'll happen if I switch them. Take this wire out and that one and just switch it and see what happens. If it gets worse or gets better. Oh, it didn't like that. It made a snappy noise. Oh, I gotta hold the power off. It all went snap, and then that was it. So I guess that didn't fix it. But let's see what happens now. Oh, I think it did fix it. All you had to do is just switch a bunch of shit around and see what happens. Oh, it's still there. Never mind. Yeah, see? Uh-oh. It's right down here somewhere. I just push this right against there. Against their graphics cards and shit. It's good for the graphics cards and shit. And you just push right against all this running electronics. Not really know what the hell kind of voltage and shit's going through it. Could be 5 volts, could be 300 volts, I don't fucking know. I don't really care. Trying to figure out why the goddamn thing's making noise. It's pissing me off. You guys can see that shit. Shit fucking iPhone. I like using Androids these days because people fucking hack into them. Alright. So when you got a bunch of clunking noses and shit, you get a flashlight. And here we go.